Today we are going to see how to make healthy breakfast of Gujju Avalakki. It's a Karnataka style dish for which it is made out of tamarind, and the ingredients are tamarind, avalakki or thick poha. So I have taken 1 lemon sized tamarind and I have soaked it for some time. Now I'm going to make tamarind juice out of this. We will also need rasam powder, curry leaves, jaggery, gujju powder, which I have shown in one of my earlier videos how to make gujju powder, and also red chili powder. So these are the main ingredients that we will need to see how do we make Gujju Avalakki, and of course salt to taste. From this soaked tamarind now we will make tamarind juice. So I am going to strain this so that I have only the tamarind juice left. We will now coarse grind avalakki or poha. So here we have the coarse grinded poha or thick avalakki. The ratio is 1:1. So for 1 measure of tamarind juice, we take 1 measure of avalakki or poha. Today I am cooking this Gujju Avalakki for 4 people. So I am taking 2 measure glass of tamarind juice, and I have taken 2 measure for poha also. So now in this tamarind juice we are going to add 1 tablespoon of rasam powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoonful of gujju powder. We are also going to add this 1 lemon size jaggery that we took. Make it into a paste or a powder and add this. And we are going to add some washed curry leaves. We'll mix all these spices and ingredients, and we are going to soak this avalakki in this juice for about an hour. We are going to soak this. We will close this and keep it aside for about an hour. It's been an hour now. This is very well soaked and it's soft. We will now prepare the chauka or vaganne, in which we will put this avalakki. I'm going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Let it heat. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of urad dal. 1 teaspoon of chana dal. 1 about a tablespoon of peanuts. So the peanuts have got fried now, even the dals have become brown. We are going to add some Guntur chili. You may avoid it also. And also some freshly washed curry patta. Pinch of hing, now we are going to add our soaked avalakki. Become really soft, nicely soaked. That measure of 1:1 is very important to get this softness and this texture. So 1 measure of poha or avalakki with 1 measure of tamarind juice. We will let this cook for 5 minutes at low flame. 5 minutes are over and we have our Gujj avalakki ready to eat. It's to be eaten hot, then only it tastes nice. So our Karnataka style very healthy breakfast option is ready, Gujj avalakki.